Hello and welcome back, guys. So, in this particular problem, we need to find the average of a number, right? So, we can simply uh, let's write return, and then we can simply do sum of number one, number two, and number three, right? And then basically, we can figure out the length of it, right? So, length will be mostly three, in my opinion. Right. So I'm not even sure that this is required. We can simply hard code it, right? Because it's always three because the argument is positional argument. Hence, it will have to be like that. Or maybe we can simply do length of this thing. But that's not given in the function parameter, right? So maybe a three will be just fine. Let's see. Let's see how other people. What is this? Some text at most two argument. Yep. Okay, that is also not required. Otherwise, could have turned it into a tuple and then added it up, but that's also not required, right? Since this is always going to be three, somewhat. Let's see how other people have done it. Okay, let's see solutions. Most likely three will be hard coded. Yeah, yeah, three is hard coded basically. Yeah. All right. So that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.